Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is still the 6th, August 6th. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just got my counter stools from CB2, so I was gonna do like an unboxing. I literally just got them not even an hour ago. So I'm gonna take these boxes apart and hopefully everything is a-okay inside and it works out. I don't really want to do like an entire apartment tour just yet because I don't have a whole lot going on. I know you guys see these boxes over here, but this is stuff that I'm actually selling and getting rid of. And these of course are going to be at my counter. I really don't know how I want to decorate. I have an idea, but in regards to like envisioning it and putting it together, I'm kind of struggling. So bear with you, girl. But meantime, in between time, we got these. I don't know, how is this lighting looking right now? It doesn't seem like it's that great. And I got 3 counter stools. I'll insert a picture and put the link in the description box if you guys are interested. This is not sponsored. Hopefully one day your girls can get some sponsorships. That is the goal. But right now we are starting from the bottom over here. So even when things do start to become sponsored, I just keep everything truthful and honest anyway, and I don't even want to work with a company if I don't like the brand. I'm not going to be one of those YouTubers that just puts on a facade or makes everything sound good just for the money. I really hate that, and I've always just not been a fan of it, because you have genuine people who are spending their hard-earned money on things, and sometimes there's YouTubers that even if the product isn't good or they don't even know it as well as they're trying to describe, they're making it sound good for the money, but in the end, sometimes the product is garbage. And there's a lot of companies out here just trying to take people's money and they don't have good products, and that's just really unfair. So that's not what this channel is going to be for. Always know that. Now, unfortunately, there are going to be times where, and I know this is a thing, where companies will send their good products to their ambassadors and to people who are doing sponsored videos for them, just so they can rant and rave about a good product, but they tend to only send that out to their sponsorships, which, you know, YouTubers and influencers, they can't control that. Unfortunately, they can just do the best that they can with what they've been given. So if they were giving a good product, but by the time it gets to the customer, they give the customers, the regular people, bad products, it's unfortunate. But you know, it's not the influencers or the YouTubers' fault. So if that's the case, you can't really do anything about it. But moving on.
Come let me wine in your hole. Let me spend a little time in your hole. I the treasure me a find in your hole. Don't stop styling in your hole. Come let me wine in your hole. Let me spend a little time in your hole. I the treasure me a find in your hole. Don't stop styling in your hole. Have bad man a wind up in a close by your leg. Man for your wind up in your hole on the bed. Have man a pose up like a double 6. Back shot a aim up for your midnights. Key a the shot, pussy a the target. No long talking, ready to start it. Whole night we a target. Can't stop target and skill out and do something like this. Come let me wine in your hole. Let me spend a little time in your hole. And the treasure me a find in your hole.
But it should still turn on. If it's 75 degrees in here and I have the air on 74, the air needs to come on until it's 74 degrees in this bitch. What the hell?
I the treasure me a find in your wall. Don't stop styling in your wall. Have bad man a wind up in a close by your leg. Man for your wind up in your whole pan the bed. Have man a close up like a number 6. Back shot a aim out for your midlands.
Over here is the actual seat part. This is acrylic, so these are actually clear. And then we have the instructions and nuts and bolts and all that good stuff right here.
Yeah, come let me wind in your wall. Let me spend a little time in your wall. I the treasure me a find in your wall. Don't stop styling in your wall.
They were flipped upside down at first. So these are how that's gonna sit. And then again, the acrylic part, the base is gonna sit on top of here. Okay, I decided to bring this down. It's not that bad. So I just put this one in up here already, and now I'm going to do this one. But when you're putting this setup together, make sure you're not tightening this too much, because you still have to get all 4 of them. So if you tighten them too much as you go, it's gonna make it hard to slip these little pieces through that you have to use. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, basically you just don't want to tighten it too tight. And if you have nails, don't expect it to be super easy, because nails aren't gonna help the situation.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Every time with what you go, I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking and the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with me squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze from the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
We got one down. 2 more to go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
So this is the final product of the chairs. Super cute, clean, practical, easy to clean. Just wipe everything down without any extra materials or nooks or crannies or anything like that. So the acrylic, very durable, sturdy. I mean, unless something is just really wrong with them, I don't really see me having any type of issues. 3 is definitely a good fit because, you know, anything else would have definitely been too crowded, and I didn't need anything on this side or on that side, of course, because that's where the trash can is. But yeah, I don't plan on having a bunch of people over, so 3 will work. So that is it for now. We'll be back for another episode later. Bye.